Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore products that make self-care feel like a luxurious experience without the guesswork. Today, we're checking out the BestMassage portable massage bed, a spa table designed for professional use, at-home relaxation, or even traveling massage therapists. It's a 24-inch wide, height-adjustable massage bed that folds for portability and comes with a non-woven carrying bag. Let's see how it performs in real life. This massage table is built with a 2-inch thick sponge cushion and reinforced hardwood corner blocks, giving it impressive durability. It can support up to 450 pounds. The tabletop is covered with PVC leather that's soft to the touch, easy to clean, and doesn't carry that typical synthetic smell you sometimes find with portable tables. Its height can be adjusted from 24 to 31 inches using sturdy knobs on each leg, allowing customization for the comfort of both the client and the therapist. At about 26 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight, and the included carrying case makes it easy to transport. In practical use, the setup was incredibly simple. No tools required. The table unfolds, and the legs automatically lock into place. I found the cushion supportive enough for full-body relaxation, whether for massages, facials, or foot treatments. The PVC surface feels professional and is easy to wipe clean, which is a huge plus for maintaining hygiene. The adjustable height made long sessions much easier on the hands and back, whether I was sitting or standing while providing care. One of the strengths of this table is its portability. Even though it's lightweight, it doesn't feel flimsy or unstable. I also appreciated the attention to detail in the construction. The lock mechanism feels secure, and the table's frame is sturdy. However, if you're very tall, the maximum height of 31 inches might feel slightly low for standing massages. Additionally, while the cushion is comfortable, those used to spa tables with thicker padding might notice it's on the firmer side. For value, this table hits a sweet spot. Considering the materials, weight capacity, and portability, it's priced competitively against other professional-grade foldable massage tables. It provides professional features without the heavy price tag of some high-end models. Compared to similar spa beds, the BestMassage table stands out for its combination of portability, easy setup, and durability. Some cheaper alternatives exist, but they often compromise on stability or height adjustability. The build quality is impressive. The beech wood frame feels solid, the corners are reinforced, and the carrying case adds convenience for travel or storage. After multiple uses, the table remains sturdy and shows no signs of wear, so it should last for years with proper care. Customer support from BestMassage is generally responsive and helpful, adding confidence to your purchase. Overall, this portable massage table delivers on comfort, durability, and usability. It's ideal for estheticians, massage therapists, or anyone seeking a professional-grade table for home use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to grab this massage bed is in the comments and description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on comfort, setup, and portability. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.